So what they speak English, so we should
First of all, we should follow the Islam rules.
so Islam never say Islam don't say that you don't learn other language, you just learn
Islam-
mother tongue.
Islam says so do not follow the Christians, do not follow the non-Muslim.
But
Just
you- but you
follow
can
the
learn-
Muslim
But you
rules.
can learn other languages. This is not written in Islam. It's not that you cannot speak English or other language. You cannot.
It's not must to speak that language. So we have no need to speak that language. Just with language also in our country. So we should speak that language.
No, if you see America's language is English.
Why?
And if you see other countries like India,
Why?
India is focusing on
No.
India is focusing on English and they are growing up.
No.
They are better than us.
Indian also people speak in Hindi, not English.
No, if you see the businessmen and the successful
Mostly
people,
people follow
I'm
the
not talking about
mostly people follow their tradition, their language, not follow the another language.
I'm talking about the successful people. They always follow.
So
the
if
English.
if someone do not speak English, that is not a successful.
No, if you learn English, so you can be more successful. I'm not saying that you cannot be
It's
successful.
rubbish. It's also people say that yeah, you should speak English and you will get everything. I don't believe that.
Why you don't believe me? Give me some reasons for
Because-
your answer.
Our language is Urdu, not English. First of all, we should clear our language, which also happening in our country. So we don't know about Urdu, then we directly go in English and we
How you
speak
can say
English
that
and
we
we learn
don't?
English.
How you can say we cannot? We don't know about.
No, we don't know real Urdu.
But we can speak.
We can't speak real Urdu.
We can speak. We can talk. We can talk with anyone.
We also
We
speak a simple language.
So I'm also saying that you should.
Which is happening in
I'm also
cities
saying
where-
that we should learn a simple English language.
I don't say English is also Christian people speak their language.
Yes.
Also our prophet he did not speak that language. Also he spoke Arabic.
Because he was Arabian, so he never said
No, he also
never said that
prophets,
he never said that you
He will know everything.
He know everything.
Yes.
I don't say that he don't know everything. He knows he knew everything, but we should learn other languages. If you see the poets,
Listen to me.
the poets also try to learn other
Many
languages.
people also speak English. Then still they do not get a job by it. Mostly people. I see everywhere.
So they can speak English, but they don't have sense of
They do not
teaching.
get a job by
But
it.
they don't know how to teach. They just know that
the
English, they
English
can speak
language.
English.
Not the English language is must to speak. So
Yes.
we should know properly everything.
There are so many people who can speak English, but they don't know that how to teach English. You are saying this.
I don't believe that. First of all we should speak Urdu and we learn Urdu.
Yeah.
Then we go the Islamic rules and Arabic.
Urdu
Then
is-
we should also learn Arabic.
Yes. Urdu is
Why
our
we go to America and why we
Because they are-
we are slave of America.
because there are
And
so
we
many.
are done slavery of Christian people.
How you can say
Yes.
if you are learning English, so
Yes.
it means you are slave and
We are slave. Why you see everywhere is also institute of Arabic institutes and also Urdu institutes. Show me. So everywhere is also English institutes.
because you cannot
Because
get
we are
opportunity.
also we follow the Christian rules and we follow the America.
We are just learning their
Because
language.
we
We are
can-
not following them. We are just learning the
We
language.
follow
How
how many languages in this world? You know.
There are thousands of
Then
millions.
why we do not learn other
Because
languages?
they are not
Say that we are also slave and we are doing slavery.
no because because America is powerful country and
Now, and how could you say that America is
America
powerful?
is so much
Iran is a
powerful.
powerful country.
How
Yes, I know.
how give me suppose
Iran is a Muslim country. One thing,
Okay.
and the spokes I know Farsi and Arabic. I don't know that language. But America is not a powerful than Iran. Iran is the most powerful.
how you can say
Yeah,
When
you
America
are also
have
watching
America have
TV. You are every time you are watching TV. So there is also America. Also Iran attack to the America.
Yeah,
But
they every time failed.
No, how could you say?
America
It's
have the
real.
best. America
It's
have the
real.
best. America have the best.
Be on topic.
America have the best guns. They have best the armors. They have best armors. They have best,
Also,
best atomic
Pakistani
bombs.
army is good. You are saying that also American army is good and is
Our
most
topic
powerful
our
country.
topic is
You are
India.
saying that it is most powerful country and is a big gun and also powerful army. I don't believe that's also every country has a powerful army, powerful gun, everything they have. Then why would you not follow their language?
We are
Their
talking about English language.
education.
I was telling that in, America is powerful language. America is powerful country. So because they work on English, so that's why they are powerful.
So
And
if you
then-
know your mother tongue,
Yes.
then why you should learn
We
English?
will learn mother tongue in just few years because we will learn mother tongue when we born after we born we will learn mother language in just few years. We
I don't
will-
believe. I don't say there's English is must for our country and must for every country. I don't say
English
there's-
is must. English is
just,
must.
Just you follow your rules and regulation and just you follow your traditions, your language. Then you will
You
fear
follow your
others.
follow your
You
traditions.
will appear
I'm not saying
others,
that
you
don't
will be
follow
famous.
it. I'm not saying that don't follow your traditions. Follow your tradition, but learn also English. I'm not saying that you don't. You
Just
should, you
just
should
we
not.
should learn
You should
English.
not.
No, just we should learn English.
Yes,
How
because
could you say that? Just we should learn English.
Not
So
just-
many language also.
you can
many
learn- you can learn
Farsi
English.
also. Farsi,
you have to
Arabic
be
also.
also so many things, but do more focus on English because
Chinese
there
also
are more opportunities in the world.
Chinese is also most important nowadays.
They are not. They are becoming. They are not.
Most important nowadays. Chinese language. Mostly people also speak Chinese. not
But
English.
Chinese people, not other people. Other people
No,
don't.
why
speak.
Chinese people do not speak English? Also, yes, they are also already successful.
They are becoming, but you should also.
Just
follow-
I want to ask that also Chinese people why they do not learn English? Only just they learn Chinese and they are also successful nowadays. Why?